Across the expanse of existence lies a tapestry woven with threads of profound wisdom. This is no ordinary weave. It's a blend of knowledge from ancient civilizations, spiritual philosophies, and cultures that whisper to us across time. The landscapes of deserts, forests, mountains, and rapid rivers may capture the external eye, but the real insight, the unseen vision, is born from the depths of the heart. What is this unique vision, you wonder? It's the wisdom that connects humanity in compassion, kindness, and respect. Ready to dive deep into its roots? Let's embark on an unforgettable journey through sacred wisdom passed down through generations. Our first chapter revives the echoing words of Chief Seattle. Long ago, this prominent Native American leader illuminated the idea that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. Imagine this: a vast tribe gathered around a campfire, their faces lit by its amber glow as Seattle shares his vision. To Chief Seattle, nature was not merely a resource, it pulsed with spirit, one intertwined with humanity's. His words remind us to nurture our connection with nature, to let our inner truth guide us toward awe and respect for all creation. Now, let's traverse the sacred sands to the Dreamtime, where Australian Aboriginal elders sing the songs of the earth itself. The wisdom in their songs speaks not through words, but through vibrations of spirit. These stories, melodies, and rituals are maps, guiding humanity through life's interconnected web. What is the Dreamtime? It's a spiritual dimension where origins and destiny blend. The lesson here is clear. True sight extends beyond mere mundane perception, inviting us to see life through the lens of spirit. From the distant Australian outback, our journey next soars to Arabia. Among the desert's rolling dunes, we discover a timeless message from the Quran. The most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others. These words echo through centuries, urging us to build bridges of kindness and empathy. Here, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, acts as a beacon of wisdom, urging humanity to care for one another. Onward, our exploration takes us to the east, to a serene temple where the Buddha's serene teachings ripple like whispers of wind through bamboo leaves. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think, he said. The Buddha reminds us that true enlightenment begins within. This philosophy of mindfulness resonates universally. Our perception creates our reality, and a heart filled with kindness shapes a world of peace. As we weave past these ancient teachings, a profound truth emerges. Each of these cultures and philosophies speaks of a vision unseen by mere eyes. Whether through nature's embrace, community bonds, or inner mindfulness, their collective wisdom dismantles the illusion of separation among humans and the earth. True vision, it turns out, requires us to look inward. This brings us back to you. What, dear listener, is your inner vision? Have you ever quieted your mind long enough to hear the whisper of your heart? You see, the tapestry of ancient wisdom is not a scroll locked in history. It lives within you, ready to guide you toward peace and unity. As Chief Seattle so eloquently implied, our fates are intertwined, just as every thread in this ancient fabric connects us in a shared destiny. So embrace the cultures that came before you. Let their wisdom become your sight. Meditate, listen, and above all, respect both the seen and the unseen. For in our collective soul lies a vision more vibrant than any landscape, a vision urging us to a universal truth. We are the salt of the earth, bound in unity by our diverse insights. Take this message to heart and make it your own. The journey begins. The question is, are you ready to see with your inner vision?